doon. Pero pag mga kawatan, protektado. Diyan na kayo doon. Sabi ba alam ko? At hindi mo mababa ang mga magnanakaw.
Sana, dito si Martin.
Nating may malaking marcha, papunta na dito.
Pilipino.
Pupunta yung mga Pilipino dito, nagmamarcha na.
Hindi ba yan? Nasaan yung lighter? Sisindi ako ng sigarilyo para mas malinaw, para wala akong sumpina.
Ito, kandila, oh. Gusto mo?
International community.
Matay lahat ng kurap!
Okay, teka. The international community.
Yun ang protector sa kurap.
The Filipino people has always removed corrupt officials through peaceful protest. Hindi tayo gagaya sa Nepal, hindi tayo gagaya sa nangyayari sa ibang bansa. We will do this peacefully. Bantay sarado Tibay! Every day from now on, we will be protesting various subdivisions, yung mga pinaka-nayamang subdivisions sa nakatira yung mga congressman para makita nila na just as the ordinary people, the poor people are afraid to lose the business during typhoons and earthquakes. Ngayon, sila naman yung mga karamdam na
Para makayam na sa Pilipino pag natin!
maghahanap ng hostisya ay nasa na ba yung
Kapitana, retirado na, lumalaban pa.
Tama! Sinatira sa daw!
So you mentioned that this is just the first step. After doing what's next?
Bumaba ka na!
Talaga kayo? Anybody from Bicol or the Romualdez?
Hindi ko alam. Kasi si John Vic dito din di ba may mga police. Mga 2,000, 3,000 police mobilized sa Forbes Park pero hindi pa siya lumalabas. I've heard that na may headquarters sila doon sa may temporary headquarters na pero hindi pa siya lumalabas. If John Vic's watching this, I will be something.
Sir, dati kinampanya niyo si BBM. So ngayon nagsisisi ba kayo na kinampanya niyo siya?
Hindi naman kasi pag kinumpara mo yung mga speech ni BBM noong 2022 at noong 2025, then they're very different people. Kasi pag nakita mo yung mga nagsasaltao pa BBM ngayon, it's very chaotic, very unsure. Pero noong 2022, at that time, no one could have blamed anyone for believing in him because he actually had a vision of unity and a vision of hope for our future. Now, sobrang dami nang nawala ng tiwala sa kanya and I think it's time for him to resign.
Sa tingin niyo sir, bakit nagkaganito?
Maybe he just prioritized his own interests, his own family's interests, over the interests of the people. Maybe he was a good person back then, pero masyado siyang natakot na baka mapatalsik siya ulit. So he tried to collect all the resources for himself so that he will always have power. Hindi natin alam. I can't speak for BBM or BBM's behalf, but for Marcos, I just hope he starts to understand what the people feel.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
you.
Sir, another one from me. You're a government official
Yes.
and apparently you're protesting against the highest executive. Have you given a heads up to other government officials regarding your protest today po?
Well, firstly, I'm not the only government official that is protesting. There are plenty of other protesters from different sides of the government. From the Senate, we have people who joined the Philippine Peso March, and from Congress as well. So we have different methods, but at the end of the day, what we want is to just get the money of the people back and to imprison those who have Balik stolen. niyo yung pera,
Sir,
uwi na
gaano
kami!
kalakas yung power, I mean yung force ng other government officials or yung namumuong samahan or grupo against the highest executive po na nagpo-protesta?
Well, it grows every day. We are growing, and that's what's important. And hopefully, once they see the potential damage corruption is causing our country, our numbers will grow. Lagi si Romualdez, labas dito!
Sir, last na po from me. The president might be sleeping right now or hindi natin lang kung anong ginagawa niya, but you're here outside protesting. Anything you want to say from here to him?
Hindi, but
Any
like,
words, sir, any words?
start listening to the people, or maybe you won't have the opportunity anymore if it's too late. Kasi at the end of the day, you are brought to that position by the people, and once you start considering your family above the family of others, then the people will do the same. They'll start considering the interests of their own families over your family. Okay? Because the people believed in you, and there are still some who do. The question here is now, should they continue believing in you? And could you give a reason for the people to continue believing in you? Kasi we believed in you, all of us did. Actually. We all thought you would make things better, but things are not better. Our economy is collapsing. The peso is rapidly deteriorating. Our stock market also crashed, and now we are facing instability in Mindanao. There's a possibility of secession again. What else? Hundreds of billions have been sold, so investors are losing confidence in our government, and there might also be mass resignations soon in the reserves, military, due to loss of confidence from the government. So it's all Marcos's choice.
Last na sir, ba't yung ginagawa ito sir? Bakit yung ginagawa?
Why are you here?
Ako itong magawa nila eh. More lang, imbis na maglaro ako, mag-games na ako sa...
Ay, shoot tanong ngayon. Lupit ng tanong ni Sir. Ang lupit ng tanong.
At least I am doing something productive, and this is all part of my... This is part of my role as a public official. Kailangan talaga
That's true.
labanan ng corruption. And if I cannot fight within Congress due to the lack of numbers, then here where I do have numbers is where I will fight.
Sir, do you have any calls to your fellow Filipino citizens regarding yung ginagawa ninyo po ngayon? Do you want them to do the same thing? Or
Yes.
Make your call.
They are doing the same thing, and they will be doing the same thing. We'll have more. There will be more and more anger towards corruption as long as no one's being imprisoned, no money is being returned to our government. Nangyari yung kay Ping Lacson, di ba? Yung sabi niya, ang meriton. We do not want it. We want the trillion stolen back. Okay, hindi lang yung this year, from last year, last year, the whole Marcos administration, ever since Romualdez took office and became Speaker of the House, doon nag-umpisa lahat, madami na tayo nakita ng 2024 budget, and also the very corrupt 2026 budget. As we can see from the recent debates, I personally interpolated the PCO budget. Nakita natin 2.6 billion. Saan nagagamitin yun? And then, please.
Wala kami tiwala sa inyo!
As we've also seen, the minority is also against the budget plan. There are plenty of congressmen that are starting to become outspoken as to the corruption of the 2026 budget. So yun, pag kinayaan natin manakawan ulit tayo, then we'll be in the same place next year. That's what I don't want to happen. That's why gusto ko next year, doon ako nasa bahay lang, lalaro lang, or nagpapahinga lang, or i-update sa mga efforts. I just want to have a happy life, and I prefer not to be protesting next year again. So hopefully the administration starts fixing things, because for the past few months they have not seen any improvement. If anything, things got worse.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Salamat po.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, yung sinabi niyo magpaprotest kayo ulit bukas, anong oras?
Surprise na kasi ang problema pag sinasabi namin, yung mga police nagre-ready na sila, so gagawin na mga surprise na bubo na ngayon. It's a surprise. Para happy. Kasi hindi naman nila sinasabi pag magnanakaw sila ng pera. Hindi sila nagpapaalam. Kung gusto nila next time, kung gusto nila ng early announcement, sabihin mo nila na magnanakaw sila at kung magkano ang nanakaw nila. Magnanakaw sila kung magkano at kailan sila magnanakaw. Para may free exchange of information kami. Kasi hindi naman namin sinasabi, hindi naman namin kailangan sabihin kung anong oras kami mag-protest. Pero sila, hindi nila sinasabi kung anong oras sila nagnanakaw. They're stealing anytime. They're protesting anytime.
Very good logic.
Ganun yun.
Thank you, sir.
Ibig sabihin, dapat ang side nyo Pilipino ha, kasi kung hindi, delikado ha. Delikado.
Sarado lahat ng
Ibig sabihin, neutral ha, neutral kayo.
Far. Shoutout sa mga buhaya sa
Neutral kayo, ha? I'm here to buhaya! Neutral kayo!
Okay na? May questions pa kayo? Okay, good. Sabi na ako.
Tandaan ninyo, ang konstitusyon, protektahan ng taong bayan. Huwag ang mga magnanakaw na politiko.
Balik nyo! Kung hindi kami babalik!
Buhay kong Gonzaga! Nag-iisa lang ang mamayag sa Kongreso!
Ingat ko!
Ibalik ang pera!
Thank you so much, Mom! We love you, Mom! We will support you all the way, Mom!
Hoy, mga kababayan! Ngayon, nandito ang check! Ating mga kapulisan! Pero ang magawin nyo lang check! Ngayon, kababayan! Oh! Ulit! Bas!
Meron na kayo!
Ang pansweldo galing sa tao!
Record ka? Kala ko nag-live ka pa.
Walang